Yeah, I just dropped off the first one, Deliveroo. Today is rainy day. Whole day has been rainy. Now it's a little bit slowed down, but still rains a little bit. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while. What's that? Double. Oh, that's a good one. I'm gonna take that. Yeah, it's been a while. It didn't rain like since I think more than 1 month. It wasn't raining. It was like always good weather. And now I kind of miss the rain, to be honest. Go and get the double. And this is my waterproof gear, 100% waterproof. It's like a very thick plastic, like a plastic. I changed a lot of things and this is the best one I found, and it's cheap. It's like £50 top and the jacket. I got 5404, yeah?
5404. Yeah, 8 minutes that one as well, yeah?
The guy told me 8 minutes. The guy told me 8 minutes for this both orders. Look how long I wait. 28 minutes. But this is the worst thing that they're doing. This is the thing that pisses me off. If you don't know how long it's gonna take, or it's gonna take long, just say it. Why are you telling me 8 minutes and you making me wait 28 minutes?
Yeah, we'll go then, baby girl, we'll go then. They're about to see us shine, cause we'll go then. They can't ever break us down, cause we'll go then. They're about to see us glow, cause we'll go then. Yeah, we'll go then, baby girl, we'll go then. They're about to see us shine, cause we'll go then. They can't ever break us down, cause we'll go then. They're about to see us glow, cause we'll go then. Got the devil in your eyes. Went into me, my surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then.
Flop B? Yeah, enjoy. See you, bye. Going to pick up one double from Uber now. Oh, some restaurants open again. This was closed last week. Oh, looks like it's ready. Let's see. Am I 2 orders Uber? Alright. Thanks, man. Alright, first one's very close. 0.2. Going to drop off the second one, Uber. 2.4 miles. What's this, man? I delivered the second one. They said take a photo. Take a photo of what? Photo of the customer or my photo? Photo of the food. Show where you put the order. This photo goes to customer. Okay. Left it there. Waste of time waiting outside in the rain.